The universe exists. It follows laws. It unfolds through time, and within it, life emerges. Observers arise capable of reflecting on existence. But this raises a deeper question. Why does the universe allow life at all? Could reality have been structured in a way where no observers were ever possible? The universe exists. It follows laws. It unfolds through time. Stars ignite. Galaxies form. Planets emerge from cosmic dust. And on at least one world, life appears. From simple chemistry to biological complexity to conscious observers capable of asking questions about existence itself. But this raises a deeper question. Why does the universe allow life at all? The laws of physics could, in principle, have been different. The constants that govern reality, gravity, electromagnetism, nuclear forces, do not appear logically inevitable. They have specific values, precise strengths. If gravity were slightly stronger, stars would burn too quickly for life to develop. If slightly weaker, stars might never ignite at all. If the electromagnetic force varied even modestly, atoms would not form stable chemistry, no molecules, no biology. The cosmological constant, the energy driving cosmic expansion, is finely balanced. Too large, and the universe would expand too rapidly for galaxies to form. Too small, and it might collapse before structure emerged. Again and again, we find delicate balances, parameters that seem narrowly set to allow complexity, structure, and life. This observation is known as the fine-tuning problem. The universe appears calibrated for the possibility of observers. But what does this mean? Does it imply design, intention, purpose? Not necessarily. There are other ways to interpret fine-tuning. One is the anthropic principle. It states that we observe a life-permitting universe because only such a universe could contain observers. If many universes exist, each with different constants, then it is not surprising that we find ourselves in one compatible with life. We could not exist anywhere else. This shifts the question from why is the universe fine-tuned to why do we observe a universe that permits observers? Another possibility is necessity. Perhaps deeper physical laws force these constants to have the values they do. Fine-tuning may only appear contingent, while actually being inevitable. Or perhaps fine-tuning reflects principles we do not yet understand, constraints emerging from mathematical structure or from boundary conditions of cosmic origin. At present, we don't know which explanation is correct. Design, multiverse, necessity, or deeper physics all remain possibilities. What we do know is that life requires remarkable balance. A universe too chaotic or too simple would never produce observers capable of reflection. And yet, here we are, within a universe structured precisely enough to allow awareness to arise. Is this coincidence, selection bias, necessity, or something else entirely? We don't yet have the answer, but the question reshapes how we see our place in reality, not as central, but as contingent on a fragile cosmic balance. The universe does not guarantee life, but under the right conditions, it allows it. And within that allowance, observers emerge, capable of asking why those conditions exist at all. Is the universe fine-tuned for life, or is life simply tuned to the universe it finds itself in? Once again, explanation leads us to the edge, where probability, physics, and philosophy converge, and where certainty gives way to deeper curiosity.